Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an exciting showdown between two popular dash cams.
On the left side we have the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam, and on the right side we have the 70mai M300. Get ready for some epic comparisons, hilarious opinions, and of course our signature dose of entertainment.
Let the battle begin.
Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, video quality.
The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a 5 megapixels IMX Sony Starvis sensor and shoots in stunning 1440p 60 fps QHD+.
This means you'll be able to read license plates and capture incidents with superb clarity day or night. On the other hand, the 70mai M300 comes in hot with its 3 megapixel camera, recording in 2304 by 1296 PHD.
It's almost 1.5 times clearer than your standard 1080p dash cams. Plus, with its wide-angle FOV of 140 degrees, you can monitor more lanes with fewer blind spots.
Parking mode, the feature that can save you from those pesky hit-and-run incidents.
The VIOFO A119 V3 offers 3 solutions under parking mode: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. With auto event detection, it automatically records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after any event. Talk about being prepared. On the flip side, the 70mai M300 also has a built-in G sensor, enabling it to detect sudden shakes or collisions even when you're away. It provides a 24-hour parking monitor by automatically recording and capturing potential incidents around your vehicle.
Now let's dive into the extra goodies these dash cams bring to the table.
The VIOFO A119 V3 comes with a GPS module, which records real-time speed, time, and GPS route in the video file. Plus, it has a date and timestamp embedded on the footage for additional evidence. Talk about being thorough.
On the other hand, the 70mai M300 offers 3D noise reduction and WDR technology, ensuring clear and smooth image quality even in low-light conditions. No more worrying about losing important moments when driving through tunnels or under undesirable lighting.
The VIOFO A119 V3 dash cam receives high praise for its ease of installation, video quality, reliability, and customer service. Reviewers highly recommend it and believe that everyone should have a dash cam in their vehicle. On the other hand, the 70mai M300 impresses with its superior video quality, smart features, compact design, and value for money. It is recommended for enhancing vehicle safety. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the VIOFO A119 V3 and the 70mai M300 in various categories, and it's clear that both dash cams have their strengths. The VIOFO A119 V3 shines in video quality and additional features, while the 70mai M300 impresses with its wide-angle FOV and parking mode capabilities. Remember, it's all about finding the dash cam that suits your specific needs.
So, do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and make a smart buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic showdowns between top products. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.